You are going to love the 2017 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lights, tire pressure monitoring system, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, battery saver. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.